Welcome to the online event platform for the Phocuswright Conference Online 2020. This tutorial will cover all of the sections you need to maximize your event and get the most out of the platform. We'll cover how to find and discover attendees, message and request meetings, build and access your personal event, find speakers, connect with exhibitors in their virtual booth, and more. Let's get started. When you log into the Phocuswright Conference event platform, you'll be taken to the homepage where everything you need to participate in the event lives. If you ever have a question or need to reach out to the Phocuswright team, use the Need Assistance tab to chat with one of our team members. Let's first talk about how to access the program and create your own agenda under My Event. First, go to the Program tab. You'll see information on each day's events. If you want to create your own unique agenda, click on this icon to add anything to your schedule. You can immediately see that your individualized schedule will start to populate. Speaking of, for accessing any of this content, you can go directly to the My Event tab and click on the program item you want to view. You'll also be able to see your meetings, meeting requests, and other networking features in the My Event section. More on that later. You can go to the program page and click directly on a link as well. The video will appear when it's time to go live. Any past sessions will be available to rewatch on the program session page. Any live sessions taking place will appear in the Live Watch Now tab. Here you can view the live stream of event content and see what's coming up next on the program. On the program page, you can see all of the sessions on each day, like keynotes, panels, networking sessions, and industry roundtables. We encourage all attendees to interact with each other by using the chat function and taking part in polling questions. For any support-related inquiries, remember to please use the Need Assistance tab. Your personal schedule always lives on the right column so you can quickly see the program sessions you've saved. If you're late to a session, don't worry. All of our sessions will be available on demand, but we encourage you to join us live to interact with other attendees and ask questions. We recommend that you complete your profile for a better networking experience. To edit your personal profile, change email notification settings, change your password, simply click your image and name on the top right menu. Click Settings and edit your information. This drop-down also has options for contacting the Help Center, resources, and logging out. Under the Attendees tab, you'll find all of your fellow attendees who have opted into the platform. At the top, you'll see suggestions on people you should meet based on filtering criteria like industry category, title category, and interests. You can also use the search bar to search by title, industry, or other keywords. Simply click the plus icon to initiate contact with attendees. You'll be able to see the attendees' available meeting times, send a connection request, or see their bio. To request a meeting, click a time slot that works best for you, select Online Meeting, and then add a personalized message. Hit Send Meeting Request, and that person will receive your request. Any message you write will show up in the chat on the right side of this attendee's profile. Plus, you'll be able to see the pending meeting requests that you've sent right on this page. Next, let's go back to the My Event section. Here, you can view or start building your own personalized schedule, see your meeting schedule, see the attendees you've connected with, and exhibitors you've bookmarked. In the My Meetings section, you'll see all the time slots you have available, your full schedule, and any live meeting calls you have coming up. To start your meeting, all you have to do is click on the button with the camera icon and Meeting Call. Once you're in the meeting, this is how it'll look like. All of the functionality lives right here on this page, including camera and mute, screen share, attendees, and chat functionality that stays with the meeting. This is where you can upload documents like PDFs using the plus icon. In the Exhibitors section, you'll see all of our event partners and sponsors who have a virtual booth. When you click on a company's virtual booth, you'll be able to see things like videos, company contacts, and chat functionality, meeting requests you've made with their contacts, company information, contact details, attending team members, and more. We'll also provide suggestions on other companies you may like to meet on the left-hand side. For any questions about the event platform or the event in general, don't hesitate to reach out by emailing events20@phocuswright.com. We look forward to having you at our event, the Phocuswright Conference Online 2020. We'll see you there.